standing by my window, waiting for you call. Since I really miss you after all. Time won't leave me, keep these attitudes to myself. I just like to let you know